The second part of the video is about the mapping or writing a value to analog output. When we have done the configuration, now let's continue with motor 3. Now motor 3, once I have received motor 3 located in zone 2, then I will have the motor 3 output activated. Oh, pardon for this. It should be motor 3. So motor 3 will be activated. Then motor 3 type, the data type is unsigned integer. The value should be changed to normal integer. The normal integer output for motor 3 will be derived to move function, move block, pardon. The move block then change it or write it to the respective output, which is output number 4. Output number 4 is relating to percentage QW4. This is the address for output number 4 for motor number 4. Please make sure that you have no red line under the text you write, otherwise it indicates an error or fault. The blue also indicates warning. You have to rectify. You should have the text without any comments. Sometimes you will face a fault during uploading. You will see that if you face it and you rectify it. Now for motor 4, motor 3, we have output 4 for motor 4. You insert it here. Motor 4 also zone 2. The same, I will change to motor 4. I will don't leave any address. This is because I don't want it to route it to any. That's why it's enough to write a variable. And I'm just putting this and calling it here. The output will be fine. This file is coming from where? I'll show you. Percentage KW6. Okay, now if you see the second module, I have QW6 corresponds to the current one, input to 1 of output, the second slot of the analog output, the first card is QW6, the address. Now let's assess with this amount. Let's go to the online mode. If you have the device in simulation mode, then you will click online. It is look like you have the device next to you. Make sure that you go online. Then the device will check, validate the logic. If there is any issue or fault, it will be mentioned. Otherwise, it will directly show this bar and go to online mode. So let's open. Let's do some change in one of the window. Let's start with model number 1. Model number 1. Let's go to run mode. In run mode, I will have, when I have 0 on the selection, then I will get 1000 on the output. So this output should be always active, okay? And I will get on the output of the model. I don't have it because I have to switch this to true. I have to get the FC1 active always. That's why I have to also activate the move box. I go offline. I will choose this one as active. The enable will be active. Okay, now I have those two boxes always active. Let me do like this. This one delete. Save. Always save, don't forget. Otherwise you will lose everything. I have tried before that I have used all the software. Keep always a backup Because anytime you may lose your device, you have to start from zero, so always keep backup. I'm saving the procedure. And for my tools, the others I have to do, and I finish the video, I have to go online again. You're writing to the node in a simulation mode. During simulation mode, you'll have here indication that you are in simulation mode. All the outputs will be executed during online session. Now what I have to go to run. The output is now showing 10,000. Let's go to the first model. I have to rectify this value to be 10,000 is 20,000. Now what I have here, I have 1,000 on the map to QW2. If I want to switch to the high speed, and I have this signal activated, the analog digital input, I will click and right click on that specific input and say write value. This is the important thing that you have to know, that when you change the value to true here by double clicking it won't be written to the logic until you select. So once you write that one, then the selection will be on the second output, which is 20,000. Now I have the 20,000 output from the cell logic, which is in unsigned integer. I will change it to integer value, 20,000 will be changed. Then the 20,000 will be written to the specific output QW2. So I expect to have here 20 milliamps corresponding to the high speed. So once I enable those also, if I don't have emergency, I have a voltage healthy, I will write those two indications also. I will give them FC start. Again, this contact is mandatory for the motor controller to start. Otherwise, it won't start without reference. Both those signals are mandatory for the frequency controller. So that's all for now. I have delivered all the information needed for controlling the motors with different speed by using analog output and based on a specific digital input signal. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.